Welcome to the channel Handbox. Today we're going to be doing an unreveal and an unboxing of DC Multiverse Bat-Raptor. Wow, this looks awesome. I can't believe it. I actually got the Bat-Raptor vehicle. We did an unboxing last week, as you can see right here. It was red hood. I hope you can actually click subscribe, like, and follow along. But the Bat-Raptor is going to be one of the coolest vehicles that I actually have in my collection. We're going to do an unboxing and see where it goes from there. So let's start the process. We have the box right here. As you can see, the vehicle is very beautiful looking. Very cool and detailed indeed. Let's look at the side. Bat-Raptor, McFarlane toys. You can turn it around. As you can see right here, it says you gotta collect all these cards. Wow, there's still a lot more than usual. It's more than red hoods, it seems like. Let's take a closer look at this. Cool. Very, very cool. The other side, just simple. Do we have anything on top, the bottom? Nope, nothing with the barcode. Let's start off by unboxing this little guy. Okay, we have the box. Let's slice this open. On the left side, the knife has opened the box. Okay, what do we do now? What do we do now? Oh, it seems like there's more. Okay, let's cut this guy right here. There's another one right here at the bottom. Let's do the same on the other side. Front. Okay. Now, everything should be open. How do you open this? Okay. So let's open it from the right side. Wow. Oh wow, look at that. It looks so cool. You gotta pull it out or something. Okay. Wow. That looks sick. So here we have it. The box is open, the vehicle is out. Wow, incredible details. Look at the car that came with it. It's actually a Batmobile, I don't know, what's it say? Bat-Raptor. The Batman is on the vehicle and it seems to be jumping in the air. He probably just made a jump somewhere to chase a bad guy. Alright, so look at the vehicle, look at that. Cool. Awesome details. Let's take this guy out of the box in a second. So this is where the action figure is gonna go, Batman. This is the top-down view. Wow, that is amazing. Look at that. Look at inside. So much details. Cool. Okay. That is just amazing. All right, let's cut this guy up. Wow, look at the details. It's actually taken out of the box now. Look at the back here. Whoa, look at these huge tires. Wow. They're actually like pretty huge. The size of almost my entire finger. We got 4 exhaust system pipes. Look at the details. The red dots. Rear view lights. Got the spoiler wing here. What is this? No idea. Let's look at the wheels. Wow, that is so cool. Some cool detail right here. I guess that's where his fingers maybe press a button. No, not really. The mechanicals of the front. The front tire. Wow. It's kind of smaller than the back tires. So the back tires, this definitely bigger than the front tires, of course. Wow, look at the details of the front, just amazing. Guys, you guys really need to buy one of these and play with it. So cool. So much details. Wow. Can't wait to play with this guy. I have a nice Batman action figure that I'm going to unbox, hopefully within this week. And we're going to see if this guy actually fits in here perfectly. He should be able to, because it is Batmobile. It's a Bat-Raptor. Let's take him off the box. Come on, come on. Oh my god, you're not going to believe this. As I was taking it out of the box, look what it does. It actually extends. The front goes in and out. Wow. That is sick. Wow, look at the grill. Right there. Oh, that's the underbody. Not bad, eh, guys? Does anything else extend? Not that I can see. Oh, it's smooth. Just extend them. Okay. Wow, that's awesome. Where's the Batmobile? There you are. Look at the details. Oh my god. I can't wait to play with them. Guys, you see these right here? This is where the fumes are supposed to come out. I wish I actually did some cool thing where you get press a button, smoke will come out. That would just be so awesome. Look at that. This vehicle is ready to destroy all the bad guys. I know there's Joker, who really pisses off Batman all the time. Batman really wants to take him down. This is the vehicle to do just that, guys. If you have a bunch of toys and you have Batman sitting around, he needs this vehicle. You guys should definitely not skip on this one. I think he has a couple of more. I have to do my research, find some cool bat vehicles. I think he has a plane. I'm not sure what it's called. Hopefully I can grab one and do an unboxing of that too. Yep, so cool. Look at the vehicle. Wow, the details. So we're gonna have to find a position of Batman, how to fit him in there. I don't know if he goes directly in there with his legs, his arms right here, and his head should be right here somewhere. Or is he putting his legs inside there? Okay. I don't know if you guys can see there. His legs should be inside there maybe, I think. And maybe his arms go into the front, I assume. And his head will be sticking out right here like a motorcycle. That we're gonna have to see, and we're gonna have to find out and see what's going on. I don't know if you guys notice this, but as you get closer and closer to this vehicle, there's actually some marks made by the artist, whoever made this vehicle. It's supposed to represent the vehicle actually was in a battle and it actually got used. It's not like a brand new toy, right? Like, look at the scrapes, the details. Wow, that is awesome. As you can see, Batman actually is fighting all the bad guys in Gotham City. And this vehicle is definitely not just sitting around doing nothing. It is helping Batman. So as I pull the front tire forward, this guy right here, the windshield or whatever you want to call it, the cockpit, it goes backwards also, extending forward. So the car that I came with is right in front of you right here. Okay, it came with the vehicle. You can see Batman is in this Bat-Raptor. He's jumping over something. Looks like he's running away from somebody. Yeah. So we turn the card around and here's the details. Bat-Raptor data file. The Batman Who Laughs, #1. Comic 2018. You can see the length is 14 feet and 8 inches. This vehicle, its width is 8 feet 8 inches. The height is 4 feet. Wow, that's pretty low, guys. It's pretty wide and long. The weight of this car is 855 pounds. Wow, that is insane. So what does the description say? It says the Bat-Raptor is a state-of-the-art, 3-wheeled, open-air roadster built by the Dark Knight himself, powered by the mighty engine that Trike is able to make massive leaps, scale brutal terrain, and chase down the most invasive criminals. It also features a built-in grappling system and emergency ejection seat. Wow. So this seat right here for Batman in real life would eject the Batman in case he has to go somewhere. I guess if he's drowning or something, he's able to press the ejection system and launch him out of the car. But where's the grappling system? I think maybe this is the grappling system. As you can see, maybe, I don't know. Grappling system. Where is it? Where is it? I do not know, guys. Maybe you guys can tell me one day where it is. But that is awesome. This is the end of the video. Here we have it, the Bat-Raptor. As you can see, it's fully unboxed. Looks amazing. The front extends. It goes back and forth. Huge tires. The back tire is just massive compared to the front. You have the card. You have the box right there. Red Hood still chilling there. Hopefully we start adding more to this collection, and we're going to proceed with a storyline for you guys. If you guys can just click subscribe and like, that'll really help me out with this channel. I'm going to do a lot more unboxing for you guys. And yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully I'll be releasing about 2 videos a week, if anything. The worst case, I'll be releasing 1 at the minimum, so you guys are still up to date with these cool action figures. I have something very cool planned, hopefully once my unboxing is complete.